What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We're back working on Duramax. A little lead cord strung over it. So we're back working on the Duramax. And a little recap of last time. We're getting it prepped for my S400 kit that's going in this. And I got the air intake all off, all the random odds and ends, coolant hoses off, wiring all pulled back, turbo out, and the Y bridge out. So today, speaking of wiring, the wiring on this thing is a mess. I've been in and out of the engine bay a couple times. I shouldn't say in and out. I've been in there a couple times. Y bridge. One time I had to go back in. I had a boost leak. I fixed that. So the wiring's kind of a mess. And also, I'm going to be running a line right from my lift pump all the way to the CP3 pump. So I can get rid of a lot of the factory hard lines that are in the valley that really clutter it up. They get in the way. I don't have a factory fuel head. So let's get right into it. And we're going to start out with the wiring. Alright, so you just seen me doing a bunch of the wiring. I'm no professional at all, but I think it turned out really good. So here it is. So I didn't reloom like all of it, just the parts that were tore up, and I'm assuming they got tore up just because I've been into this a couple times already, so moving them around, getting stuff cracked. So I got new split loom on all that, this nice braided loom over the main harness. I reused a little bit here and there. There's more of it. There's a second harness back here. Like I said, reloomed pretty much everything that I could. And then over here on this side of things where the main electrical harnesses are, they use that like fabric tape. And I have more of the fabric tape, but it's not very sticky, and that's why this stuff started to come undone. So I just taped like the ends of it, and yeah, so I left all this pretty much factory, just redid what was tore up. I think it turned out pretty good. As you can see, got all the factory hard lines that are useless to me out of there. Just an injection line in there. But so now begins trying to clean up the engine bay a little bit. Some degreaser and shop vac and a whole lot of elbow grease. So I'm really happy with how that harness turned out. When I was first touching it, man, it was just crumbling. So it looks a heck of a lot better. We also went ahead and got rid of all those factory hard lines. I'll show you those. So that's just some of the, this would usually go like over to the fuel filter head, so that was just my little delete. And so got rid of all that clutter. I'll be running just a half-inch line from my lift pump up to the motor. So I got some stuff coming from Summit, some AN push lock stuff coming from Summit. That should be in here probably within this week, so that might be in the next video, it might not. I'm trying to figure out what other color I want to go with, because I want to do a bunch of the accessory brackets and stuff in a powder coat color, but I don't want it that same red. I was either thinking a gray or a black, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And that's going to do it for this one. So hit the like button on your way out, subscribe if you have not, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.